Welcome back. Hi again, and this is Ralph Del Giorno with VPT Technologies. This is the second healthy fitness and educational video that I hope you enjoy. Today we're going to be focusing on protein consumption and the underlying question of protein, what kinds of protein, how much, and why we actually need to consume protein. So let's talk about the definition of protein and what protein actually is. Protein the protein that we consume in our foods is broken down by the digestive system and broken down into 22 different amino acids. Now, every one of those amino acids is used by the body to function normally and properly throughout the day. Protein supports immune health, cardiovascular health, muscular and cellular regrowth, and it also helps curb your appetite as well. So protein plays a very important function on daily body maintenance and also how the body regrows itself on a cellular level. So as a whole, the protein is actually the building blocks of the human body, and it's why it's so important to have your correct daily intake to reach proper body maintenance and proper health. Now that we understand exactly how important protein actually is, let's talk about the most common goal that most men and women are looking to attain, and that's gaining that really hard, ripped-looking physique. And in order to attain that goal, the proper amount of protein needs to be consumed on a daily basis. And for both men and women, the numbers are relatively the same, but let's run through a sample calculation so you understand exactly where I'm going. For a woman that weighs 125 pounds, she would have to consume 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. That would be the equivalent of 125 grams of protein a day. Now, for a man that weighed 240 pounds, the calculation would be the same. 240 grams of protein would need to be consumed for that man to have the proper amount of protein consumed on a daily basis. Now, there are a lot of different principles and different groups that have different calculations that vary slightly, but ultimately, for people that have a very busy schedule, children, jobs, a difficult lifestyle, in order to maintain proper nutrition, the goal should be simple. And 1 gram per pound of body weight is the best and easiest way to attain that goal. I hope this has been helpful in understanding exactly how many grams of protein you should be consuming on a daily basis. Now, let's talk about what types of protein we have available to us that we can consume. Now, I've prepared some visual examples to help you understand the types of protein and how many grams of protein are associated with each individual protein. Now, there's several of them, so please take into consideration that you do need small meals throughout the day. So adding a variety of these proteins will only aid in reaching your protein consumption goals. So there are the different types of proteins that we have available to us, and I hope again that this has been helpful in understanding the underlying question. Protein, how much, why, and what kinds? So again, I hope this has been helpful. If you do have any other types of goals or questions that you have, please feel free to ask, and we'll address them in the manner in which we receive them, and hopefully we're able to address everyone. Again, I thank you for all your input and questions, and I hope everyone has a great day. Take care and be well.